And so finally, let's unbox this. So the cube I'm going to unbox is the Yuxin Little Magic 4x4. And so actually I got it from cubelelo.com. So be sure to, or if you live in India, it is the best site to order anything. So order your cubes from there, cubelelo.com. And so looks like we got a nice cube bag. Let's keep it over there. And so this is the cube. I think some manual kind of thing. No, actually it's the bill, I think so. Let's keep it over there. And just some foam. So let's keep the box over there. And so let's unbox this. And so let's unbox this. And so don't mind the noise coming in the background. There's some work going on. Still, let's unbox this thing. So I got it for like 8.99 Indian rupees, which is around 11.8 USD. And so it's nice. Feels good out of the box. It's a good 4x4. Inner turns are also good. And so keep in mind, it's a budget cube and it's magnetic, so it is pretty nice, like if you're just getting into 4x4. And the size is 60 millimeters, and you can see Kevin Hayes over there. And so nice. I like this cube. And so now I just wanted to say that now I'll be practicing 4x4 a lot. Like I want to get better at 4x4, like any other event except 3x3. And so let's try PLL parity. Nice. I like this cube a lot. So like there are other cubes like the Wuchway and the other 4x4, the Walk 4 and all, but they are not exactly cheap, right? So like this cube is good if you're just getting into 4x4. So I would recommend this to you. And so anyways, so next time I think I'll unbox an 5x5 or a 2x2, I don't know, but still, like, you'll keep that in mind. And so until the next time, bye.